Hey, welcome back for this week's Trick Tip Tuesday. And this week's trick tip was a suggestion we had from somebody last week about how to protect your dies, anvils, that sort of thing for your different machines and any other bare metal components from starting to rust. So, I mean, this would work on bead roller dies, English wheel anvils, planishing hammer dies, you know, any tooling that you're going to have for your machines that has bare steel. So what I use and what we've used in professional shops to protect your bare metal surfaces from rusting is this product right here called Gibbs. It's Gibbs brand, and this stuff is a pretty neat way to protect your surfaces without having to use some type of heavy oil or anything like that. It's real easy to clean, wipe off, goes on real easy, and keeps your surface protected. So it's a water repellent, and protect your metal. It's a corrosion inhibitor as well. So, but it also works as like a penetrant and a lubricant too. So this product has a ton of different use. I mean, I've used it for, you know, some real simple tapping. I've used it for wiping down a bare metal car body after being sandblasted and being able to protect the surface from getting surface rust on it while you're doing your metal work on the car. So, I mean, we can wipe down whole cars with this, and the great thing is that, you know, say with a little bit of acetone or some other cleaner, you can wipe it right off the surface, and it works great for keeping it protected without, like I said, heavy oils or that sort of thing. So this product can be used on, like I said, all the different dies and anvils that you may have in your shop. Just wipe it on, keep it protected, and then you can also use this as a lubricant when you're, say, running a panel through a machine. So if you have, you know, a panel that's especially aluminum, where you know, the panel can, the material's softer and it may gall up a little bit, you know, you can spray this on your panel, wipe it on there, do your planishing or English wheeling, that sort of thing, and then it will provide that little bit of lubrication to be able to slide your panel through your machine a little bit easier. So, and then at the same time, you get it on your dies, keeps them protected from rusting, that sort of thing, especially if you work in a non-climate controlled environment where you have extra humidity to deal with, that sort of thing. So check out this stuff, gibbsbrand.com. We do not sell this stuff here at Trick Tools, but this is the stuff that I've been using for years in hot rod shops and all that to keep bare metal surfaces protected. So Gibbs spray, you know, you can use a WD-40, that kind of stuff as well. I've always found this stuff to be a little bit better. So don't forget to send us your ideas for Trick Tip Tuesdays to tips@Trick-Tools.com. That email will get right to me, and we'll look over your ideas and see how we can apply it to our Trick Tip Tuesday videos. And so thank you for doing that ahead of time, and thanks for watching this week's Trick Tip, and we'll see you next week.